Here's a nice example of a piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, Australia. It's been blocked out, so got rid of a lot of the older back material that's not required. It's nice pinks and reds, greens, electric greens. Over here it's a bit weak, maybe even cut that off. End up with a stone like that rather than try to keep that as well. You could even slice it and have that as just a cheaper stone. I think if you grind that off a little bit, there's a little bit high there, that'll help make the stone look a bit better. There's no other seams by the looks. This is quite a nice piece. It's not a giant piece. From this angle there's more colours through here. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.